How to write a business plan for your bottled water business? The answer is simple. Use an AI business planning tool. Before AI, you would do competition and market analysis, then write your sales, marketing, and operation plans. Then you would open up an Excel, write 1,000 formulas to create your financial model. Only then you can start writing, editing, and polishing your business plan. This would usually take between a week and a month. And to be honest, it's quite a boring process. Today with AI, you can have your business plan done faster, in a better quality, and it's actually fun. It's faster because you can have your plan ready in the next 1 hour. Not days, not weeks, hours. It's better quality because AI guides you through the planning process to make sure you don't miss anything important. It will suggest improvements and it will write your plan in a perfect language and format. And it's actually fun because it's an interactive experience. So instead of listening to me for the next 1 hour telling you how to write a business plan for your bottled water business, go to modeliks.com right now and have your business plan ready in the next 1 hour. Enjoy planning, and for more information, look at the description of this video.